Good morning and welcome to another edition of Pat's Couch. Today I'm very excited and very fortunate to have our CIO, Patrick Boris, with me this morning. Good morning, Patrick. We can actually shake hands because COVID is gone.
Yeah.
So, there's a ton going on in our industry right now. Right now for us putting together solutions for the advanced EOB workflows, the prior auth streamlining, the expanded provider portal, a ton happening. And for smart data, for us alone, there's a ton going on that we're adding developers, customer service people. We're in the process of doing our SOC 2, re-upping for high trust, but we're going to talk about all that another time. Today, we're here to talk about the EOP to 835 conversion. So again, Patrick, thank you for coming today. I'm excited to chat about this.
You bet.
I want to start off by asking, explain the role Remittance Advice plays in the claims process workflow.
Sure. The Remittance Advice is a document that a payer sends to a billing provider that explains a payment that's been made in the form of a check or electronic funds. So when the claim gets adjudicated, several things happen. The provider isn't billed the amount or isn't paid the amount that they bill. The payer is going to make adjustments to that. They're going to figure out what's not covered on the claim. They're going to figure out what's the contracted rate, what's the patient responsibility, and then when they finally pay the claim, it's going to have a final payment amount. And the EOP or remittance document is an explanation of the difference between what you billed and what you got paid.
Excellent. Okay, thank you for that. Well, explain to me the challenges with the paper EOPs. What's the problem? What's the challenge?
Sure. Well, the paper EOPs, and they can be done electronically or on paper, but the paper EOPs, they add time in the processing because they have to be sent out over the mail. They add difficulty in they have to be data entered that's prone to error when they go into the accounting system. They can delay secondary billing and they can delay revenue realization because until that revenue is posted into the accounting system with the 835, it's kind of not there yet. So all these things are real disadvantages of doing things on paper.
And cost, always, yeah. So what's the benefits of the EOP to 835?
Okay, so the benefit of converting the paper EOP to an 835 for the provider is now everything is electronic, right? It all goes into the system, so we don't have the time delay of somebody having to enter it manually into the system. We can, again, realize revenue faster, and we can have more accurate secondary billing. These are all the advantages to going electronic with remittance.
Okay. And as far as how do we move from paper EOPs to 835? Tell us about the process. Well, how does it work at Smart Data? How do we help them out to do it?
Sure. Well, traditionally, a provider is going to enroll in 835s or electronic remittance the same way that they enroll for electronic funds transfer. But in reality, there's always going to be some kind of paper component to this. So what you can do is work through a clearinghouse like Smart Data to convert your paper EOPs to an 835, and then you go from a hybrid workflow where you're processing both paper and electronic to only processing electronic.
Excellent. Okay. You heard it right there from the horse's mouth. You gotta love it. Well, again, a short one today. Thank you for watching Pat's Couch. If you have questions, reach out, give us a buzz. You know how to reach us. Patrick Boris, Patrick Bollom. Have a great summer. We'll be back in tune soon enough. Thanks and have a great day.